Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by removing loose rust with 120 grit sandpaper until bare metal appears. Work along the grain and avoid deep gouges that trap moisture. Next, use 1/4 cup of degreaser per gallon of warm water to wash the surface thoroughly. Rinse with clean water to remove residue. Dry completely with clean towels and then air for 30 minutes before proceeding. Inspect closely for pits and crevices that need extra attention before moving to protection steps. Apply a rust-inhibiting primer in 2 thin coats, each coating about 2 mils thick. Maintain even strokes and allow a 5 to 10 minute tack time between passes. After priming, allow primer to cure for 24 hours before painting or applying a different top coat. Select an enamel or epoxy paint designed for metal for best long-term protection. Apply the top coat in 2 layers and ensure full coverage around edges and welds that trap moisture. Allow paint to cure fully per manufacturer directions before handling or reinstalling. Keep metal at least 1/4 inch above standing water and away from soil contact. Elevate with rubber or plastic spacers and ensure vents allow airflow to dry surfaces. Inspect and touch up coatings every 6 months or after heavy wear or storms to stop rust spread early. For outdoor or marine parts, use sacrificial zinc anodes or corrosion inhibitors to protect buried or submerged metal. Reapply lubricant to moving joints and hinges every 3 months to repel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.